Hello guys, Victor Isibor here. I am here to rant, and I think we as human beings we can do better. Have you ever been into any kind of network marketing business recently, or maybe you are mentoring somebody about something? Have you noticed that there are some people that instead of them to research, they would rather come and ask? Yes, those people, they prefer to ask than to do research. It's like, for instance, my phone is here and I left it here and I can no longer remember where it is. Instead of me to look for this phone, I'll go and be asking my spouse or my siblings, where is my phone? When I have not even tried to look for it. Many people like that, they prefer to ask than to research. Now, I get a message on my phone because my phone, I don't always carry it around because I'm busy. I get loads of messages here. So you see somebody asks me a question. Maybe my response time is slow and I don't get to check my message in an hour. And they ask a question. Then 15 minutes later, they don't get a response from me. Then they go on Google, they find the answer, and they will now write, done, seen. You see lots of messages from the same person. Victor, how do I do this? 10 minutes later in the chat, done, I've done it, seen. How do I do this? Done, I've done it, seen, and all that. So, I now wonder, why don't you search before you ask? I mean, on the internet in this day and age, there is an abundance of information. There is nothing you want to do. There is nothing you want to do that a simple Google guide will not show you how to go about it. Honestly, the entire purpose of content creation on YouTube is to help people do something. It's to help put the word out there, give information regarding something. There are tons of videos that content creators make on a daily basis. So why would you be in America? You have internet right in front of you. Instead of you to search, you prefer to shoot somebody in Africa a message asking those questions. Now, it's not a problem for people to desire to be mentored, but there's a difference between mentoring and spoon feeding. It is spoon feeding if you don't try to do anything for yourself. You are totally 100% dependent on people always asking questions. I mean, it's a core leadership quality to be able to research. If somebody brings you into a business, the first thing you need to do is learn the basics, then become independent of them. Move on, carry the business by yourself after you have learned. That is how to learn. You don't learn by being spoon-fed. Some people even ask questions about things that they know. Some people, for instance, somebody comes to you and say, Victor, what's 1 plus 1? And you're like, don't you know it's 2? You say, I know it's 2 now. I just wanted to confirm from you. Are you normal? I mean, some people ask you questions and sometimes you just feel like switching off your phone. Okay? Okay, for instance, now I tell you, go take my car key. Go and bring my pen in the car. Such a person will get to the car and call you, hello, Victor, should I open the door with the key? No, swallow the key. When they eventually open the door, okay, Victor, the biro, I'm seeing a pen there. Should I bring it with my left hand or I should use my right hand? Bros, use your teeth to carry the pen and bring to me. Irrelevant questions from people. Imagine somebody asking me while I ask them to fill a form and they are saying, zip code. What's my zip code? He's asking me his zip code. You know, just imagine somebody in Zimbabwe is asking me via chat what his zip code is. I say, for Christ's sake, I only know my own zip code. Your own zip code, search it out on Google now. I won't be surprised if one day somebody is filling a form. Maybe I send them a link. They are filling a form. They get to where they say date of birth. They are asking me, Victor, what's my date of birth? Somebody will come and ask me what their favorite food is. They're asking me favorite food. What's my favorite food? Please, research over asking. I'm not saying it's bad to ask questions, but try. Try and be independent of people so that you can stand alone and mentor others. Being spoon-fed is not good for adults. You are grown. Take responsibilities. Take charge of your business so that your business can grow. Thank you. That's all from me. I'm Victor Isibor. Smash the like button. Share this video if you can relate. I'll see you in the next one. It's bye for now.